Temperatures staying warm again today, and it looks like for Thanksgiving we should be back above 80 most everywhere. Tricky part is maybe dealing with some clouds in the morning, maybe a few sprinkles or a little shower late tonight and in the morning with a weak front in the area. But most of the time the next few days is going to be dry, but there are small chances for a little shower here and there or sprinkles all the way through at least about Saturday, but not much rain overall. Most places getting 0 in terms of the amount of rain, but if you do get showers, it's not going to be very much, it looks like. Now, First 1.5 Doppler network, nearly dry everywhere this afternoon. This is radar over the last few hours, and you can see there was one little shower getting close, formed with the sea breeze moving in just south of Brownsville. So if you saw the clouds building up from Brownsville, there was a shower in Mexico that formed and kind of fizzled out pretty quickly. To the north, though, one little shower, tiny shower we've been tracking coming with the sea breeze. You can see the sea breeze right there, that little green line. See it? There it goes. That little thing right there. That's the air pushing in off the Gulf of Mexico. So as that passes, it acts like a little mini front, lifts up the air, and you get a couple little showers and clouds building up. So we do have one small shower. That's northeast of Raymondville. There's FM 1762. So kind of out where it's not raining on too many people, but maybe a small shower still possible this evening. Temperatures are in the 80s nearly everywhere. 77 at the island, but 86 in McAllen and 80 in Raymondville and Harlingen. Humidity still kind of muggy out there. Dew points are around 70 near the coast, but a little drier the farther inland you go. But overall, it's still kind of humid for this time of year. There's a weak front moving through. We'll show you in a minute, but it's not doing a lot to the weather. This evening, there's a small chance of a little sprinkle or shower popping up in spots early this evening, and maybe a few sprinkles very late tonight after midnight, but most of the time looking dry and partly cloudy this evening with temperatures falling slowly through the 70s across the area. You can see a front on here moving along. If you watch right there, that line of showers, that was the front. Most of the rain, though, up to the north, up by Houston and over in Louisiana earlier today, and now the tail end of the front slowing up, but kind of right on the edge of the valley right now, moving in this afternoon. So if you look at future track, we draw the front kind of moving through the area, but weakening, kind of breaking apart this evening. So there's 6 p.m., maybe a little shower or sprinkle still possible along the front and with the sea breeze anytime later this evening, especially late tonight. You see a few blips of green on here, but even this might be overdone in terms of the coverage of any showers. So tomorrow morning, if you're up early, getting a start on Thanksgiving cooking, I think we'll see clouds in the morning. Might even be some fog around in spots, but there was fog mostly just north of the area this morning, but it might be a little foggy early and some clouds, might be a little bit of drizzle in there too. So keep an eye on that, but it looks like most of the day will kind of end up partly sunny in the afternoon with temperatures back right around 80 or higher during most of the afternoon, and then dry most of tomorrow night. Friday, there's another weak front coming in from the north. It might be close enough to spark a shower in spots, but most of Friday looks dry again with temperatures back above 80 degrees. Friday night looks dry. Saturday, I think we'll still deal with maybe some clouds in the morning, maybe a sprinkle or a tiny shower, but I think most of Saturday is looking dry, and then temperatures are ready to go up again later in the weekend. So rain chances about 10% tomorrow morning mainly, and then after that, 20% of maybe a quick little shower on Friday and 10% or less of a shower on Saturday, but most of you will probably see no rain all of the next 3 days. So your first 1.5 7-day forecast, temperatures around 84 tomorrow. Again, maybe a few sprinkles or some drizzle in the morning. Friday looks like a mainly dry day with a partly sunny sky and a small chance for a shower. Saturday may see a small chance of a quick little shower too, but as I mentioned, all 3 of those days, I mean, if you count the showers up, you might count them on one hand. There won't be very many. After that, we should see a rapid warm-up near 87 on Sunday. Could be around 90 again on Monday.
What?
Yeah, I know. But
no.
It's like a one-day heat wave because another front comes in next week and temperatures start to go down again. You see 84 on Tuesday, but we could see much cooler weather by Wednesday, highs in the 60s possibly by the time we get to about next Wednesday and maybe Thursday.
I thought we were done with the 90s, so not fair.
Well, you know, it's been such a fun autumn. You know, I think the last day of November is on Monday, so we'll go out with one last good hot day.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, the typical valley weather. All right, thanks a lot, Ed.